What is JavaScript CSSOM for modifying CSS styles? Have you ever wondered how websites change their look and feel in real time? One of the key players in this process is the CSS Object Model, often referred to as CSSOM. This powerful set of JavaScript application programming interfaces allows developers to read and modify the CSS styles applied to a web page dynamically. To understand CSSOM, think of it as a sibling to the Document Object Model, or DOM. While the DOM represents the HTML structure of a web page, CSSOM focuses specifically on the styles and rules that dictate how elements are visually presented. When a browser loads a web page, it first parses the HTML to create the DOM and then parses the CSS to build the CSSOM. The CSSOM is structured like a tree, mapping every CSS rule, property, and value that can affect the appearance of the page. This structure enables the browser to calculate the final styles for each element by applying cascading rules and inheritance. Now, how does JavaScript fit into this? JavaScript can interact with the CSSOM to change styles dynamically without altering the CSS files or inline styles directly. For instance, scripts can add, remove, or change CSS rules, modify style properties of elements, or even query computed styles. This is especially useful for responding to user interactions or other runtime conditions. Practical applications of CSSOM in JavaScript are numerous. You can dynamically update styles to create animations or responsive effects. Imagine changing the background color of a button when a user hovers over it. You can also modify styles based on user input or events, like adjusting the layout when a user resizes the window. Additionally, CSSOM allows you to access and change style sheets or individual CSS rules programmatically. This capability can improve performance by batching style changes through CSSOM manipulation instead of repeatedly changing inline styles. Understanding CSSOM is essential for anyone looking to master JavaScript in web development. It acts as a bridge between static CSS and dynamic style control, enabling richer and more interactive web experiences. By complementing DOM manipulation, CSSOM provides a structured way to handle styles alongside the document structure. In essence, JavaScript CSSOM is the interface through which scripts can programmatically access and modify the CSS styles of a web page. This makes it a vital tool for dynamic styling and advanced front-end development. So, the next time you see a website that changes styles on the fly, remember that CSSOM is likely working behind the scenes to make it happen.